Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are looking at an amazing online quiz platform called Gimkit. If you're tired of traditional quiz tools, Gimkit takes it to the next level. It turns questions into a video game where players earn in-game cash to buy upgrades and power-ups. Without wasting any time, let's learn how to use it. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Google. Search for Gimkit and click on the official website link. Once you are on the home page, you will see a simple landing page like this. If you are new, just click on the purple sign up for free button. Or, if you already have an account, simply click login right below it. Next, you can choose to sign in. The quickest way is to just click on Continue with Google and select your account. Alternatively, you can type in your email address right below it. Then, click Continue. After that, you will be asked to select your account type. Since we want to create quizzes and host games, make sure to click on Educator. Next, simply fill in your first name, last name, and create a password for your account. Make sure your password has at least 6 characters. Once you're done, click on Continue to move forward. Then, you'll need to find your school. Click on the country drop-down, type in Malaysia, and select it from the list. Lastly, just choose your subject and the grade level you teach. After that, click Continue, and you are all set to explore your new dashboard. A quick welcome tour will pop up to introduce the basics, including kits, game modes, and classes. Just keep clicking Next through the introduction screens, and then click Close on the final page. Now we are finally on the main dashboard. To start creating your first quiz, just click on the purple New Kit button right in the center of the screen. A pop-up will appear where you can enter your kit's name, choose your language, and select the subject. Fill in these details, and click Next. Next, choose a cover photo to make your quiz look engaging. You can easily search for relevant images here, pick your favorite one, and click it to set it as your cover. Now, you'll see a menu with multiple options to add your content. You can write them manually, generate with AI, create with flashcards, collaborate with KitCollab, use a question bank or import form spreadsheet. For this tutorial, let's click on the first option, Add Question. Here is the manual question creator. You can type your question at the top, and you can also add photos, audio, or equations to make it interactive. Below that, type your correct answer next to the green check mark, and your incorrect options next to the red crosses. Once done, just click Add. Once you click Add, your question will appear in your kit list like this, showing the question, image, and the correct answer in green. Next, let's try the AI feature. Just click on Generate with AI on the left menu. Here, just type in your topic, like fungi. You can also choose the number of questions and the grade level. Once you're ready, click Generate Questions. The AI will instantly generate a list of questions for you. Review them, and if you are happy, just click plus add all questions at the top right. All the generated questions are now added to your list. Next, let's look at the Create with Flashcards feature on the left menu. This is a very fast way to build your quiz because you only need to input the question and the correct answer. After finish, click Create. Next, let's check out Collaborate with KitCollab. This feature allows your students to contribute their own questions directly into the quiz. Here, you can copy the link or show the QR code to your students. Once they submit their questions, they will pop up here for you to approve or reject. Next, let's explore Add from Question Bank. This feature allows you to search and pull questions from existing kits created by other teachers in the Gimkit community. Just type in your topic, select an existing kit from the community, and you can easily add their questions directly into your own quiz. Lastly, we have Import from Spreadsheet. This option lets you upload a large number of questions instantly from an Excel file or Google Sheet. Once you have gathered and finalized all your questions from the different features, simply click on the All Done button at the top right to save your completed kit. Now your quiz is officially saved and ready. On your main dashboard, you can see your new kit. From here, you can choose to either play live with your students in class, or click Assign HW to give it as homework. To assign this as homework, click on Assign HW. As you can see, there are 4 different game modes available for homework, including Fishtopia and Cash Tycoon. For this tutorial, let's select Don't Look Down and click Continue. Next, configure your due date, question goal, and energy settings, then click Continue once more. Finally, your assignment is live. Simply click the purple Copy Link button to share it with your students. Now that our kit is complete, let's learn how to host a live game. Simply click on the green Play Live button. As you can see, Gimkit offers a huge variety of exciting game modes that you can choose for your classroom. Gimkit has many types of game modes depending on your class activity. You can choose player versus player modes, team versus team competitions, or even collaborative modes where the whole class works together. There are so many options to keep your students engaged. For this game, we will select Don't Look Down and click Continue at the top right. After choosing your live game mode, a settings pop-up will appear. Here, you can customize the game duration, toggle checkpoints, and adjust the energy given per question. Scroll down to find more options, such as using a nickname generator or allowing students to join in late. Once you are done, click Continue, and wait for the game start. Next, share the game code with your students. Once everyone has entered the lobby, simply click the green Start Game button to begin. When the game begins, you can also join and play along as the teacher. As students move, their energy will drop. To regain energy and continue climbing, they must answer your biology questions correctly. When a student runs out of energy, their character will stop moving. A prompt will appear, telling them to click Answer Questions to start answering your quiz and gain energy back. Once the game time ends or a student reaches the goal, the session will finish, and a Game Over screen will appear. Gimkit will display the final leaderboard along with the class statistics. You can view each student's position, total correct answers, and the overall time taken. Click on View Report at the bottom left to access detailed data. Gimkit allows you to check the question breakdown to see which biology topics need more review, view the student overview for individual results, and track overall class accuracy under Quick Stats. You also can see each of the students' performance by clicking their name. Finally, you can download the entire class report into an Excel file by clicking the Export button at the top right. This makes it very easy to save and keep track of your students' grades. Back to the quiz dashboard, you can click on the Rewards button at the top right. Here, you can check the player level, view unlocked cosmetics, or visit the shop. On your main dashboard, you can click the Reports tab to view your past game history, or click Assignments to check on any homework you have assigned to your students. To keep your games secure, go to the Classes tab and click New Class. Type in your class name, select a color, and click Create Class. You can easily rename the class if needed. To invite your students, just click the Copy Invite Link button and share it with them. You can also check the Reports tab inside the class to monitor your students' progress over time. If you want to save time, you can use the Discovery feature. Click on Discovery at the top right to access a public library of millions of pre-made quizzes. Simply type your topic in the search bar, like biology, and Gimkit will display many relevant kits created by other teachers. Click on a kit to preview the questions. On the left side of the dashboard, you have many options. You can preview the questions, host a play live session immediately, copy it to your library, try a practice run, or even share and export the kit. You can also check your rewards by clicking the Rewards button at the top right. Here, you can track your seasonal levels, access your locker to customize your character, or visit the shop to buy game packs using your points. For advanced customization, you can use Gimkit Creative. Click on your profile icon and select Creative. From here, click Start Tutorial to learn how to design your own game world. Gimkit will then load you into the creative arena where you can build custom game modes, maps, and worlds. Once inside, you will see an open canvas. To start building, simply click the Add button at the top right corner of your screen. A menu will pop up with choices like terrain, props, and devices. Select Terrain to start drawing floors or paths directly onto your custom map. You can also add any kind of props to the map. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can easily click the Eraser tool on the left menu and click on any item or terrain to remove it from your map. Once you are done building, click the purple Start Game button at the bottom right to test and play on your custom map. Now, you can walk around and test your custom map in real time. This helps you to make sure all paths, walls, and mechanics are working perfectly before sharing it with your class. Besides building from scratch, you can also explore maps made by others. Just click on the Discovery tab to search and use custom maps created by the community. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. We have covered everything from creating quizzes and managing classes, to exploring live game modes and building custom worlds in Gimkit Creative. I hope this guide helps you to design a more interactive and engaging learning experience. Let's make science become fun, and thanks for watching.